Dear students, once again welcome back to Devasha International School online teaching. So students, chapter number 14, chemical effect of electric current. So students, if we will talk about this, some basic point already you are knowing, आपको इसके बारे में थोड़ा बहुत पता है. Okay, chemical effect of electric current. See, so students, यहाँ पे हम कुछ बेसिक इलेक्ट्रिक करंट के बारे में भी कुछ डिस्कशन करेंगे. नाउ सो स्टूडेंट्स, हियर सी टू पीपल्स आर देयर. वी विल रीड जस्ट वन बाय वन लाइन एंड देन आफ्टर वी विल जस्ट कम टू द कंक्लूजन what is there in the chapter. Now your elder might have questions you against touching an electrical appliances with wet hands. But do you know why it is dangerous to touch an electrical appliances with wet hands? So students, see, ये जो पॉइंट है ये आपको पता है. नॉर्मली हमारे जो एल्डर्स हैं उन्होंने हमें ऑलरेडी गाइड किया है, ओके, और वो हमें बोलते भी हैं, ओके, नो नीड टू टच द इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस विद द वेट हैंड्स. क्लियर? ये तो आपको पता ही, ओके, कि कभी भी हमें इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस, फॉर एग्जांपल वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट स्विच. तो स्टूडेंट्स, जब हम स्विच को स्विच ऑन और स्विच ऑफ करते हैं तो हमें वहाँ पे ये देखना चाहिए कि आवर हैंड्स शुड नॉट बी वेट. क्लियर? नाउ सो वी हैव लर्न अर्लियर दैट द मटीरियल विच अलाउ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट टू पास थ्रू देम आर कॉल्ड गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. तो स्टूडेंट्स, ऑलरेडी आपने लोअर सेक्शन में पढ़ा हुआ है कंडक्टर एंड इंसुलेटर. कंडक्टर एंड इंसुलेटर ये आपने पढ़ा है कि ये क्या होता है. क्लियर? नाउ सो स्टूडेंट्स, कंडक्टर मीन्स द मटेरियल इन विच इलेक्ट्रिक करंट कैन पास इजीली. क्लियर? ऑन द अदर हैंड, मटेरियल विच डू नॉट अलाउ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट टू पास थ्रू देम easily are called poor conductor of electricity. It is also called insulator. Students, clear? Conductor we can say or insulator we can say. Conductor means the substance or the material in which a current can be passed, or insulator means the substance or materials in which current cannot be passed. Clear? Now, so students, see, in class 5th we made a tester to test whether a particular material allow the electric current to pass through it or not. Do you recall how the tester helped us in deciding that? So students, this is one experiment you have already performed in standard 6th. Okay, means अब स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप ये एक्टिविटी को ध्यान से देखोगे तो हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया, एक सेल हमने यूज़ किया है, ओके, एक सेल हमने यूज़ किया है और एक बल्ब हमने यूज़ किया है. एंड व्हाट वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू डू, ओके, वी हैव कनेक्टेड बोथ द थिंग्स. ओके, वी हैव कनेक्टेड बोथ द थिंग्स. सी, इफ यू विल ऑब्जर्व दिस डायग्राम, ओके, दिस इज अ बल्ब, दिस इज अ सेल एंड दिस इज अ टेस्टर. एंड व्हाट वी हैव डन स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव कनेक्टेड ऑल दिस थ्री थिंग्स with the help of wire. Clear? So student, this wire is conductor. Clear? समझ में आ गया ना आपको? अब स्टूडेंट्स, अब क्वेश्चन ये पूछ रहा है कि ये वायर को, ओके, नाउ सो स्टूडेंट्स, अब आपको पता है, देखो ये जो वायर है, ये वायर को हमने ज्वाइन किया है इसके साथ, और फिर यहाँ पे जो सेकंड वायर है हमने उसको यहाँ पे ज्वाइन किया है, and this is connected with the bulb. Now students, the question is कि यहाँ पे जो बल्ब है, ओके, ग्लो, तो यहाँ पे जो बल्ब है क्या ये ग्लो होगा या नहीं होगा? क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रॉम दिस एक्टिविटी व्हाट वी कैन से, हियर द बल्ब विल ग्लो. क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ द बल्ब विल ग्लो? बिकॉज the things, okay, with the things with what we have connected this, ये क्या है? This is called a conductor. This is called conductor, and a conductor allows Okay, conductor allowed to pass through current. Clear? चलो, so students, I hope कि आपको, so students, ये एक्टिविटी आपको समझ में आ गई ना? सी the next part. So students, here the tester is a good conductor because, okay, through the tester the electric current can be passed. Okay, now see the next part. So students, some other materials also we have observed in which a current cannot be passed. For example, if you see, plastic and wood do not conduct electricity. However, so far we have used our tester to test a material which were in solid state, but what about liquid? So now students, here the question is, plastic and wood do not conduct electricity. ये तो आपको पता है, clear? But so far we have used our tester. So students, here that in the previous activity we have used a tester to perform the activity, means okay, the current can be passed or not, that we have decided with the help of that tester. Clear now? But now students, suppose we can say in liquid the current can be passed or not. Okay, in liquid the current can be passed or not, that we have to identify. Clear? Now see, so the first question, do liquid conduct electricity? This is a question. Do liquid conduct electricity? So students, okay, after this we will just try to find out कि possible है या नहीं है with some activity. Now, to test whether a liquid allow electric current to pass through it or not, we can use the same tester. Okay, see students, here what we have done with the same activity. Okay, if you will see this, okay, if you will see this in the same activity, what we have done here, the wire we have connected with this substance, and you know this is what this is called, this is made up of plastic. Clear? Okay, this is made up of plastics. So students, अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो यहाँ पे जो बल्ब है, ओके, ये ग्लो नहीं हो रहा है. ओके, चलो समझ में आ गया ना? यहाँ पे जो बल्ब है वो ग्लो नहीं हो रहा है. क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? क्योंकि स्टूडेंट ये क्या है, ये प्लास्टिक है, एंड प्लास्टिक इज अ बैड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. चलो, बैड कंडक्टर और यू कैन से पुअर कंडक्टर. क्लियर? सो दिस वे वी आर जस्ट, ओके, हमने यहाँ पे ट्राई किया विद वन एक्टिविटी, मीन्स कि इन अ प्लास्टिक द करंट कैन बी पास्ड और नॉट. क्लियर? नाउ, so students, the next part we will see. So 14.1 first part we have completed. Now student, however, replace the cell by battery. Also, before using the tester we should check whether it is working or not. So students, first of all, you should not try this activity, okay, because it is not good for us. Okay, थोड़ा सा ये डेंजरस है, तो हमें ये एक्टिविटी को ट्राई बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना है. बट स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस एक्टिविटी हियर वी हैव यूज्ड अ टेस्टर, बट नाउ व्हाट वी कैन डू दैट, ओके, टेस्टर एंड हियर वी हैव यूज्ड दैट सेल. क्लियर? सेल तो आपको पता ही है. नाउ व्हाट टू डू, वी विल जस्ट रिप्लेस दैट सेल विथ अ बैटरी. वी विल रिप्लेस दैट सेल विथ अ बैटरी. क्लियर? And now we will observe what will happen. So see, first of all, so now that our tester is working, let us use it to test the various liquid. So students, again we can just try this. So students, tester is a device. With the help of that tester we can just try to identify whether the substance is a conductor or not. Clear? This way we can just try to identify. Clear? Now, so आई होप कि आपको समझ में आ गया. क्लियर नाउ. So students, then after see this activity we have performed, and here we have used a liquid. Here we have used a liquid. Clear now. So in liquid what we have used? We have used a lemon juice, and now we have to just try to identify whether the bulb will glow or not. Clear. So students, if you will see this, okay, ये आपको पता है. This is a battery, this is a bulb, and these are called wires. These are called wires, and here this is a container in which the container is filled with a liquid, okay, and we have used lemon juice. Now we will just try to find out. Now when the liquid between the two ends of the tester allow the electric current to pass, the circuit of the tester become complete. So students, circuit will be completed or not, that you will study in some more higher classes in a detail. So students, मैं आपको पहले बता दूं सर्किट का मतलब क्या होता है कि जब ये सारी चीज़ों को हम एक साथ ज्वाइन कर देंगे, ओके, तो ज्वाइन करने के बाद जो फॉर्म्ड होगा दैट इज कॉल्ड सर्किट. क्लियर नाउ. The current flow in the circuit and the bulb glow when the liquid does not allow the electric current to pass. The circuit of the tester is not complete and the bulb does not glow. So students, आपको सिर्फ इतना ध्यान रखना है कि when the circuit will be completed, when the circuit will be completed, at that time only the bulb will glow. Otherwise the bulb will not glow. Clear? Sure. So in some situation, even though the liquid is conducting, the bulb may not glow. It may have happened in activity. Okay. Now students, अब यहाँ पे क्या है, अभी हमने पढ़ा कि when the circuit will be completed, the bulb will glow. But in some cases ऐसा हो सकता है कि सर्किट कंप्लीट हो गई but the bulb will not glow. Clear? Now do you remember why the bulb glow when the electric current pass through it? Do the heating effect of current, the filament of the bulb get heated to a high temperature and it starts glowing. So students, अब आपको ये भी पता है कि अगर आप ध्यान से बल्ब को देखोगे तो बल्ब के अंदर एक जो वायर होता है जो दोनों एंड में कनेक्टेड होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड फिलामेंट. क्लियर. और स्टूडेंट, जब हम उसमें करंट को पास करते हैं तो विद द हाई टेम्परेचर जो फिलामेंट होता है वो क्या होता है, वो बर्न होता है और वो एक हीट प्रोड्यूस करता है. क्लियर. Now, if the current through a circuit is too weak, the filament does not get heated. So students, okay, if the current through a circuit is too weak, अगर current का amount कम होगा at that time the filament will not work. Clear? और जो filament work नहीं होगा so the heat cannot be produced. Clear? Now, so students, if you will see some next point, okay, so it means some sufficient amount of energy should be there. Clear? So ये हमारा क्वेश्चन था. This way we can just glow the bulb. Okay, so ये तो आपको समझ में आ गया. Means for glowing the bulb the amount of current should be more. We can use another effect of electric current to make another kind of tester. Do you recall that electric current produce a magnetic effect? So students, again आपको ये पता होगा कि when we will just pass electric current in any of the conductor or circuit, at that time magnetic effect will be produced. And if we want to just identify the magnetic effect, then we can just use a compass. Clear? At that time we can use a compass to identify whether the magnetic effect is produced or not. Clear? Now see. So students, you have already seen this. आपने देखा होगा. These are called LEDs. Okay. Now see the next part. Okay. So this is the activity. So we are not going to perform this activity. And students, this is the table they have given, and we have to just write which of the part is a conductor or non-conductor. Means किसमें current flow होगा और नहीं होगा. So students, here in the first we have to write for the good conductor. Okay, means a needle will be deflected or not. So lemon juice, compass needle shows deflection, yes, it is a good conductor. So students, अगर deflection होगा that means good conductor, अगर deflection नहीं होगा that means bad conductor. Clear? So vinegar we can use, tap water you can use, vegetable oil you can use, milk or honey you can use to identify this. Clear? So from this activity what we have concluded means in which of the following the current can be passed. So they have explained one by one. So students, this activity is good to identify which of the material is a conductor or non-conductor. Clear? Or non-conductor you can also call it as a bad conductor or insulator. Okay. So now, so students here, okay, tap water you can use means different type of material you can use to identify. आप अपने हिसाब से यूज़ कर सकते हो. Clear? So students, okay, up to here we are not going through just line to line, but we have studied each and every point. Clear? So which of the following is a good conductor or bad conductor. So students, आपको पता है, suppose we will talk about pure water. So pure water is a bad conductor of electricity. But students, that pure water, suppose we will add some amount of salt in that water, at that time just current can be passed. So if we will add some salt, then it will behave as a good conductor. Clear? So students, here up to we have completed, and the remaining, that 14.2, okay, we will discuss in the next lecture. Clear? So students, up to here just try to read each and every part. Okay, Jai Hind students.